Okay, good afternoon class. So today we're looking at trigonometry. Please settle down. We can talk about the test tomorrow, okay? So these are the examples on page. Check which page is this on? Sorry? One, 3. And it's for exercise 5.5 on page 114. Okay. So today we're looking at the reciprocals of trig ratios. Reciprocals. So if you look at 2, what is the reciprocal of 2? 1 over 2. Okay, so that is the reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of 1 over 3? Negative. Negative 3 over 1, which is negative. Okay, what is the reciprocal of 2 over 3?
1.5.
Huh? 3 over 2. That's the reciprocal. Now, the trig ratios, as we have, which is sine, cos, tan, also has reciprocals. Okay. So 1 over sine theta, 1 over cos theta, and 1 over tan theta has reciprocals. Okay. And 1 over tan is equal to cot theta. 1 over cos is sec theta, which is secant. This is cot is cotangent. Okay, the abbreviation is cot. The secant or secant is sec, and cosec, which is the cosecant. Okay. So if we got, for argument's sake, they ask you to calculate cosec of 10 degrees. So that is the same as, now on a calculator we don't have a cosec, not so, we don't have cosec, sec or cot. Alright, so if you want to work out cosec of 10, it's the same as 1 over sine of 10 degrees. You guys understand? And then we just put it in our calculator, 1 over sine 10, which is 5,76. You all understand? Is there any confusion? Okay, the electricity will probably go out now. But let's look at another one. Let's look at cosec. No, just the cosec. Let's look at cot theta, or cot of 60 degrees. Cot of 60 is the same as 1 over tan of 60. You guys understand? Put that in our calculator. What do we get? Sorry? Root 3 over 3. Okay. Remember, we'll start leaving your answer in the simplified third form. Unless the question say 2 decimal places. Okay. You guys get the idea? So let's look at the examples that they give you. Did you write this down here?
No, sir.
Write it down quickly. Reciprocal trig ratios. So why do you think they tell you that sine of theta can never be equal to 0? Denominator can't be 0. Okay, otherwise the sun will be undefined. Okay. So let's look at the examples now on page 113. So the question says, you must calculate cosec of 30 degrees. Cosec of 30 degrees. So what do we say here? This can be written as 1 over sine 30. Let's put that in our calculators. 1 over sine 30. Can you give us? 2. We all okay with that? Let's look at the next one. Cot squared 30. Cot can be written as what? 1 over 10. So I say 1 over 10 squared 30. And how do we put that in our calculators? We put here 1 over, open brackets, 10, 30 squared. Guys, see that, people? Remember that square on the outside, the 10 squared. It must be 10 of the angle, and that answer must be squared. Okay? Which is giving an answer of 3. Are you all okay with that? Error. Okay, we must close the bracket again. Huh? Can't leave the bracket open. Okay, what was the problem there? The bracket. Okay. Let's look at this one here. Sorry that I'm moving a bit faster here because of the load shedding. Right. It says calculate sec 40 degrees plus cosec 50 degrees. So sec 40 is equivalent to what? 1 over cos 40 plus cosec is 1 over sine 50. So put that in the calculator. Please close your brackets, no? You can't leave it open, otherwise the calculator doesn't know what you're talking about. Remember, the calculator is just as good as the person using it. Okay? So you must put the thing properly in the calculator. 2 comma 61. It says 2 decimal places, so yes, 2 comma 61. Any confusion at this point? No. Okay? Okay, so that basically brings us to the end of the examples for this exercise. With this, you should now be able to do exercise 5.5. I'll give you a couple of minutes to do 5.5 and then we will mark it, okay?